Hello, this is Kathy with the Vitality Code, and a special hello to my ladies over at Limitless Women Rising Facebook group. You guys, I love you. I was working with a client and asked her a poignant question of what is it, if she could gift anything to the world right now, what would she like to gift? It's a great question, and I realized I should answer that for myself. So my answer became, I would like to gift the world self-love, because I think what we need is a world of people who've come fully alive. We love ourselves, we're owning our gifts, we're seeing our brilliance, we're bringing ourselves fully out to the world to make a contribution in our unique and special way. And so that is the gift I would like to share with you today. One of my favorite techniques I use is emotional freedom technique. Emotionally free. How would you like to be emotionally free of all the self-limiting self-talk, all the limiting beliefs and old emotions perhaps trapped from these childhood days? So much of the work I do is going back and kind of reprogramming what I call improper prior programming. You see, as young souls, we come into this world, we're pure, we feel lovable and worthy and all these things until we don't. Oftentimes these things, something will happen in our childhood days where we've had negative modeling. Maybe there was betrayal or abandonment or hurt or heartbreak. Somewhere in time there was someone, oftentimes a parent, that we were trying to get their attention and their love, and for some reason that wasn't reciprocated to us. And so we created these stories, these old narratives of I'm not lovable, I'm not worthy, maybe I'm not enough. Maybe I'm not deserving. Maybe it's not safe to love because we gave our love and we were betrayed. It was a return, and that kind of hurt. We don't want to do that again. So we've created a heart wall and this narrative. But oddly enough, because we've got that narrative ticky in the back of our heads, we tend to recreate the familiar, and that pattern keeps showing up again in our lives. So what if I could gift to you today a tapping to release the old negative programming of feeling like you're not lovable, so that we can open ourselves to love fully again. With emotional freedom technique, the affirming and grounding statement is, I unconditionally love and accept myself. What a beautiful affirmation, huh? And let me ask you this. On a scale of 1 to 10, if you tapped in to your heart and said, I unconditionally love and accept myself, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your resonance with that kind of statement? Oftentimes it's kind of uncomfortable, and maybe when we talk in terms of self-love, it almost feels like an unfamiliar concept. And I would say we're in this time of rising consciousness. The age of Aquarius is upon us. This divine feminine energy is swooping in, and it's asking us to prioritize ourselves now, prioritize ourselves in terms of self-love, but calibrating everything we see, everything we do, and how we show up through a lens of love. So let's use this tapping, let's use this time together to go back and sweep away some of those old narratives, that improper prior programming that had you believing that you were anything less than completely lovable, worthy, deserving, and safe of loving yourself and showing up as love in the world to love one another and share your gifts with love to the world. So let's begin. Let's start on the karate chop. So this crazy notion of self-love, not even sure what it really means. Loving myself seems like a foreign concept. I might have some improper prior programming saying I'm not worthy, I'm not lovable. It's not safe to love someone, they might hurt me. This notion of self-love. What if I'm not deserving of love? I don't know what to do to make other people love me. What if I don't get it right? What do I say to others? I'm afraid of judgment. I'm afraid of rejection. I want to get this right. It's not safe to be me in love, and yet I'm open to this idea of loving and unconditionally accepting myself. Awesome. So now let's tap through the points. So this crazy notion of self-love, not even sure what that means, but I would love to know what loving myself unconditionally means. I'm open to loving and accepting myself. Loving and accepting things I never knew. Those old narratives are just that. These are old stories. These are old beliefs. Old trapped emotions, not feeling lovable. Not feeling worthy. Not feeling deserving of the love I know we all were here to create. It feels expansive to think of expressing love. It feels warm, feeling that I am lovable. I know I attract more when I feel in love. I want to love and unconditionally accept myself. I'm open to trying this, loving and unconditionally accepting myself. I wonder what else is possible when I love and unconditionally love and accept myself. I know I'll attract more. I know it's safe to be me. I know I am worthy of self-love. I can set aside the judgment, the old narratives, the old beliefs and emotions that cut me from loving myself. I'm open to seeing how cool I am, how utterly wonderful I can be. I unconditionally accept myself. I unconditionally love myself. This feels lighter and lighter, opening up the space for more self-love. A love we're all created to enjoy. I unconditionally love and accept myself. This feels right. I can love myself. I can choose not to have those barriers anymore. Releasing the barriers to loving and unconditionally accepting myself. I am quite lovable. We're all worthy of self-love. I'm capable of great things. I'm pretty darn amazing. And I think I'm kind of cute. When I love myself, I have more to give to others. As I love my own gifts and my brilliance, I have more to gift to others. I can shine the light of self-love for them. they might even choose that for themselves. Sharing the light of unconditional love and acceptance. I unconditionally love and accept myself. And they can unconditionally love and accept themselves. The world needs the gifts that we can bring. I express more when I love myself. No more judgment. No more old narratives holding me back. Because I unconditionally love and accept myself. Okay, now, how does that feel? And calibrate in for yourself. Check in. When you say now, on a scale of 1 to 10, how resonant do you feel with loving and unconditionally accepting yourself? Has it changed? Has it gone up a little bit? Feel free to watch this video over and over again. We've got some old deprogramming around this stuff. So give yourself time. Give yourself the gift of watching this. Challenge yourself to do it every day for a week or 10 days. What would you be capable of after 7 to 10 days? You are a gift to this world, and it would be my delight for you to check in and let me know how it goes. Okay? I look forward to hearing from you.